Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here. I'm coming at you with another video, and this one is going to be a busy morning video. So don't worry, I'm not holding the phone. It's off to the side, kind of propped up there. But I am heading off to meet my sales rep. Now, this is a sales rep for, he sells Haas, so Haas CNC machines. And then he also sells some manual equipment. But I am taking a professional day from school today to go and meet with my Haas dealer. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a trip around our, I guess you could technically call it our metro area. So we're going to go to a bunch of machine shops in the area that surrounds the school that I work at. And we're going to look and see both the types of machine shops and the types of machinery that they have on their floor, their production floor, and really kind of take a look and see how that adds up to what we should be putting in our high school. Now, does that mean I've just got, $1 million or $2 million and I'm suddenly going to start adding CNCs to my machine shop or to my high school shop? No, that's actually not what's going on here. So the state of Idaho is putting through a grant to modernize career and tech facilities around the more rural areas of Idaho, and there's a lot of them. And we've applied for the grant, and we were turned down because we didn't make a really good enough case in our documentation to kind of prove that this is the direction we need to go. So that's what today is about. Today is taking professional time to go around and visit those shops with a rep to see the machines that I would like to see in our shop and see them in place in machine shops, in manufacturing facilities here in our local area where our students could come out of our program. I'm at a stoplight. They could come out of our program and go directly into one of those machine shops and basically start producing parts. So the Lewiston-Clarkston area, which is where I'm at now, excuse me, the Lewiston-Clarkston area is where I am at now. And this area in particular is really a hub of manufacturing in northern Idaho. We've got a lot of boat manufacturers. I think at last count on the internet, I found like 6 or 7 of them. And they manufacture everything from pleasure boats to aluminum jet boats, high-speed bass boats, stuff like that. So that's a big industry. We have a circuit board manufacturer here, which is another precision manufacturing industry. And then we also have one more that is really kind of very Idahoan. Has nothing to do with potatoes. It is actually an ammunition manufacturer. So CCI Speer is actually here in the Lewiston area. And they have multiple offshoot companies that are here in addition to others that people have started up. So we're really a hub of ammunition manufacturing on the West Coast. So in there, ammunition manufacturing, as you might imagine, is also is also a high precision manufacturing industry. So we're going to be looking at that too as an option for our students. So what I'm trying to do is look for trades and careers where there's a lot of openings, there's a lot of demand, and there's a lot of future in that. And really that's kind of why I'm focusing on CNC manufacturing and precision manufacturing, because those are the major industries here. The only other major industry that's really, really big here would be a pulp and paper plant. So we do have a paper mill just off that direction. And that paper mill, I think they've got 3 different paper machines in there. And they make everything from all of the nation's ice cream boxes to tissue paper to packaging for lots of other companies. but that's Clearwater Paper. So they do a lot of that here. It's really hard for me to try to find a way to train students how to make paper in a high school. I mean, we could do the old method that was pioneered in Southeast Asia, doing the fiber and the settling and the boards, but that doesn't give you really a look at precision paper manufacturing. So we're gonna stick on precision machining and work on that. So if my sales rep gives me permission, I'll shoot another video when we're off and rolling with him. But at this point, I'm about to his hotel, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm kind of excited. We'll also see whether or not some machine shops will let me shoot some film inside, do kind of some B-roll, and we'll see what that goes. I spent 10 years of my life in a manufacturing facility, so it's not really for me, it's for y'all, just because I've seen the machines work, but some of you may not. So we'll see how that goes, and see what we can shoot videos of. But yeah, we'll tell the story of today and see how that goes. And I think he's at this other hotel up here. I think I got one more to go. Yeah, you should see the view up here. It's a pretty good view. Lewiston's built on a bunch of hills, so it's pretty cool. Alrighty, so I have arrived at the hotel, and I'll cut the video off here. Hopefully you all get to see something and learn something today. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.